In this video, I will show you how to earn $12 for every YouTube short video you watch. To begin with, we start with a website where people from all corners of the world have the chance to earn some money. Your potential income depends on where you live. For example, if you are in Greenland setting up, a video can earn you 20 points. The heavy dollar in Iceland is a respectable $13. If you're in the US, you can pocket $12, and in the UK, it's $10. This goes then as you travel to different areas, and Mexico offers at least $4 even if your country isn't listed. You can still 33 get a decent $50, and if you are watching a lot of YouTube shorts, this can add up quickly. Now let me walk you through the steps. First, go to YouTube and click on the Shorts tab, which is the most popular shorts. There are videos with over 100 million views. You can easily find them by searching for hashtag shorts. Pay attention to things like comments and shares to gauge people's interest, so you choose videos that match your interest and the audience you're trying to reach is looking for things that can really become popular. Back to the exciting world of YouTube shorts. Now here's the smart part. Find a place that isn't too crowded. After only 10 minutes of searching, I found one of the Minecraft videos. Minecraft is an incredibly popular game that is loved by people all over the world. It can build and explore virtualness of blocks. I even found a channel for you so you don't have to the hard work. Has 6 million subscribers and makes fine Minecraft videos. A lot of fans, so there is a high demand for videos like yours. So take this opportunity and enter the world of Minecraft, and your income and views will increase. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. Imagine the endless possibilities of wealth waiting for you. You have short videos that have now accumulated over 100 million views. Imagine the opportunity to earn $15 per 1,000 views on such videos. This is an irresistible offer, and I'm here to guide you step by step after the video among the shorts. Once you've pinpointed them, just click on the video and go straight to the Share tab. Then the URL of this link has the power to turn views into a stream fixed income. Now go to the specialized website called shrinkearn.com. Paste your URL here. You will get paid when your link is clicked by viewers. You can have a significant audience potentially earn you $20 per 1,000 views. Once logged in, you will be rated by a user-friendly interface. Go to New Short Link section and put your original link, shortest button, press, and it will prepare your link. Now let's make a strategic plan to share this link on platform where Minecraft fans gather. Avoid sending your links to understood audience. I will provide you with a specific website where real Minecraft fans gather, and you'll be sure that your link will receive high traffic with a tactical segmentation. Now let's take a look at the intricacies of deploying your money link into specific online realms, these platforms have huge potential to not only expand your audience space but also increases your revenue stream. Planet Minecraft is a bustling forum dedicated to all things Minecraft, where Minecraft players come to share their ideas and game strategies and Minecraft adventures. With 600,000 type of people actively looking for feedback, the audience starts this journey by entering selected forums in this forum and seeing topics with 2,000 to 100 views. Now, you create a concise and compelling message. Get something like this amazing Minecraft video, 1 hour. Don't forget to add your page link for essay access. You can multiply your efforts in different forms due to the many threads available, and ensure that the broad exposure of this strategy approach creates a symbiotic relationship for every visit that comes through your affiliate link. But our adventure doesn't end there. Let's explore a second online realm where you can expand your reach and increase your income. Stay tuned for more information on maximizing your link potential across multiple platforms. Another promising way to explore Facebook is the big social media platform. Search for Minecraft and look for large groups where lots of people gather and chat about Minecraft every day. A good example is a group with over 50,000 members and at least 10 posts per day. This is one of those groups where you see a lot of people who love Minecraft. By posting an exciting video like this awesome Minecraft video that goes viral, they take advantage of this and put your money in these groups and videos, and they talk about a lot Minecraft. Your post can get a lot of people attention, get them to click on your link, and it earns you money. So by posting your money link on these active online forums, you are using the power of Minecraft fans of this video with a little care, and by participating in the discussions you can become a big name in marketing Minecraft videos, convert and earn good money from it.